Kids, today we are going to learn about the farm animals. Cow.
Cows love to eat grass and all sorts of yummy plants. They chew their food for a long, long time. They have 4 stomachs to help them digest all that yummy grass.
Sheep.
Sheep love to munch on grass all day long, and they're pretty good at it. They have special mouths with 4 stomachs that help them digest even the toughest plants. They also have excellent senses of smell and hearing, so they can always find the tastiest snacks and keep an eye out for any danger.
Goose.
Geese are champions of the water and land. They can paddle gracefully in lakes and ponds with their webbed feet, and they waddle around on land with a funny little swagger. They're not the fastest flyers, but they can soar through the air in V formations that look like giant arrows pointing south for the winter.
Horse.
Horses are the champions of speed and freedom. They can run like the wind, their muscles rippling under their coats as they gallop across fields. They can jump over fences as tall as you, and they can even dance and prance with graceful movements that would make any ballerina jealous.
Chicken.
Chickens might not be the fastest runners, but they're pretty good at flapping their wings. They can take short flights to hop over fences or perch on high branches in trees. And they sure love to preen their feathers, keeping them clean and beautiful with their sharp beaks.
Goat.
Goats aren't scared of anything. They scale cliffs with their sure-footed hooves, balance on the edges of bridges like tightrope walkers, and even jump from rock to rock like playful parkour masters. And if they see a tree branch within reach, you can bet they'll be up there chewing on leaves in no time.
Pig.
Pigs aren't afraid to get dirty. They love to root around in the mud, searching for yummy treats like acorns, roots, and even the occasional lost sock. Oops! Their powerful snouts are like built-in shovels, helping them uncover hidden treasures, and their strong legs make them surprisingly good diggers.
Donkey.
Don't let their relaxed attitude fool you. Donkeys are tough cookies. They can carry heavy loads on their strong backs, trek through rough terrain without breaking a sweat, and even survive on some pretty tough plants. Their hooves are like built-in hiking boots, gripping the ground even on the steepest hills.
Duck.
Ducks are champions of the pond. They glide across the surface with grace, leaving a V-shaped wake like a tiny ship. They dive headfirst into the water, searching for yummy treats like fish, insects, and even the occasional lost French fry. Their webbed feet act like paddles, helping them zoom through the water like feathered submarines.
Rabbit.
Rabbits aren't just about fast feet and fluffy fur. They're also master burrowers, digging tunnels through the earth like tiny construction workers. These cozy underground homes keep them safe from predators and provide a cool shade when the sun gets too hot.
Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.